Namaste. Most of us are suffering in this world because of our inability to control our own behavior. All of us want to change some of our behaviors or quit some bad habits. We may want to quit smoking or drinking habit. We may want to lose weight, exercise more, and follow strict diet. We may want to reduce stress. We may want to be more productive and disciplined. We know that what stands in between ourselves and our dreams is our own behaviors. It is very clear to us, if we change ourselves, we could live the life we love. But changing ourselves is the hardest thing in our life. Because our habits are very deeply rooted in our subconscious mind. They run our life on autopilot mode. Sometimes we try very hard and we find success in 1 or 2 days. But third day, we are on the same old path. We go through the motions of moving one point to the next, day by day, week by week, month by month, and year by year. The habits hold us back. We know that they are very bad and they are damaging our life. We know that we should change. Honestly, we want to change, but we don't change. It may happen to you also. Other people may give a very good advice to you. You may read a good message in an article, or you may hear a beautiful method in a YouTube. But you may feel it. Yes, it is for me. But when you try it, it sticks only for a very short time. And you return to the old behavior. It is not that you don't care enough. It is not that you are not committed. But still the change is not happening. You may think that you have not the willpower. Why sustained change is tremendously difficult? Is it your fault or is it your lack of willpower? Can you ever bring permanent change in your behavior? The answer is, it is not entirely your fault. You can bring permanent change in your behavior. Many researches were done on the subject and many valuable lessons were learned. In this series, let us discuss about the successful way to change ourselves. Failing at least a few times is a natural part of the success process. It points out your small mistakes and it reveals what steps or corrections you should take in your next attempt. That's all. There is nothing to get frustrated. There is nothing to lose hope. The problem is with the approach itself, not with yourself. Only thing is you must learn to deal with the setbacks. So, stop judging and blaming yourself. Embrace all your mistakes as discoveries and use them to move forward. Building habits and creative positive changes in yourself is moderately easy if you have right approach. Let us start discussing the methods and the truths from next Wednesday onwards. Thank you.